When I was very young, I could arrange a bicycle. In our days, it was not. Then I'll say, come on, I need a bicycle. And then the parents will say, which one you want? The Ranger, the Rover, the Racer, nothing doing. When I say, I need a bicycle, they'll say, ah. So we were arrangers, we were go-getter. So I found there was a broken cycle, and I took out from the junk where it was lying, then got it repaired, saved pocket money, It was little difficult going in our time. It is very easy going this time now. So then I know I used to sit with that cycle wala and watch carefully which rim I want, which tire I want. And finally one day the cycle was ready. I was very excited. My friends, we all said, we'll go. And Delhi was very small at that time. It was surrounded by the fields. And early morning, 5 o'clock, we took the bicycles and we went. We went and we crossed Delhi, we crossed the field, and we were lost. We were lost. All over, wherever we'll see the crop, the green vegetation all over. And no trace of anyone. And suddenly we saw a villager, an old man coming. And I asked him, where this road will go? I asked him in his language, Baba, ya sadak kis jaogi? Where this road will go? And his answer transformed my life. He was probably a guru who came to teach me. And laughingly he says, Jit tu jaoga, wahin jaogi. Wherever you want to go, the road will go there. And he laughed and went. And it was a flash. And I got stuck there. What did he say? Where you will go, the road will take you there. And this is the real message of Shiva Yoga. Wherever you are, even if you feel you are lost, even if you feel nobody is there to guide you, even if you feel you don't see the light, but what you have to decide is where you want to go. And wherever you want to go, wherever you want to reach, wherever you are, no analysis, no logic. Just make your life very simple. When you put so many logics, you make your life very, very complicated. Because one question shooting from there, one from there, what will happen, what will happen? Why waste energy? Just focus on where you want to go. That's it. Shiva Yoga is very, very simple. No logic. Seek what you want in your life. And wherever you are, no matter how terribly sick you are, no matter whatever the medical science says, how many deadly diseases are there in the body, or whatever the financial scenario or recession is saying, immaterial. That what is happening is collective consciousness and the individual consciousness. Everything depends upon the individual consciousness, on the individual where he wants to go. In our Shiva Yoga sadhana, I have seen the great Siddhas. They decided and they achieved it. They decided and they could accomplish it. They never said, I have this characteristic, I have that characteristic, and with this characteristic, I can do this, I can't do this. Nothing doing. This characteristic is made by me only. I am the manufacturer of my own characteristics. If I can make, I can change also. If I can make it, can I change it or not? Yes, I can change it. I'll change it. I am the architect of my life. If I don't like this design, break it. And this is my habit actually. Whenever I construct the building, and they say Baba is very fond of demolishing and building, demolishing and building. When I don't like something, I say demolish it and bring it, build it again. Because this is what I am doing in my life also. Anything which I don't like, I demolish. And I create another design. And it is a fulfilled life. Total contentment. I am very happy here. And I feel my work is over. Whatever my work is towards me is over. Now is the responsibility of repaying to the humanity, to the God, towards His creation. That is why I am stuck here. Otherwise, I would have been long gone. Happy, everywhere happy. So, you are the architect. Now, what are you waiting for? I want you to understand this phenomena. Wherever you are, whatever you are, whatever is your background, whatever is your circumstances, you can create new circumstances. You can create your own road and you can reach wherever you want to reach. That is the Shiv Yoga.